Welcome back, learners. It's time for question 2 to find out how machines learn. Let's go. Which of the following best describes the primary difference between supervised and unsupervised learning in machine learning? Is it A, supervised learning uses labeled data for training, while unsupervised learning uses unlabeled data? Or could it be B, supervised learning clusters data into groups, while unsupervised predicts outcomes based on input features? Or is supervised used for image recognition while unsupervised is used for language translation? Or could it be that supervised models are deterministic while unsupervised models are non-deterministic? What do you think? It's A. Supervised learning uses labeled data for training while unsupervised learning uses unlabeled data. And let's see why. Think of it like you're teaching a kid math. If you give them a worksheet where every problem has the answer written next to it, that's supervised learning. You're guiding them by showing them both the problem and the solution, so they can learn from these examples. Now, if you give them a bunch of problems with no answers and they have to figure out the patterns on their own, that's unsupervised learning. Distractor B said that supervised learning clusters the data, but that's not actually what unsupervised learning does. It's more like giving the kid a bunch of random toys and saying, sort these into groups, without telling them how. No labels, just patterns to discover. The other one says supervised learning is used for image recognition and the other one for language translation, which isn't really true. This is more about labeled versus unlabeled data, not what kind of problems they solve. And then D says supervised learning is deterministic, while unsupervised is non-deterministic. Nope, both of them can use both behaviors, so that's really not the key difference here. Well, that's it for question 2. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.